Hello students, welcome back. In this video lecture, we will be discussing the question number 129 of NEET 2018 question paper. The question is, sweet potato is a modified taproot, adventitious root, stem, rhizome. Four options are given. Now, first of all, you all should know that a root, a stem, or a leaf, all of these can be modified to perform different functions. Modified to perform different functions. Why I am saying this? Because generally roots are known to derive, to absorb water and minerals from the soil, right? And stem bears the leaves, right? And stem further distributes water from the root to the leaf, right? And the leaves are generally known for performing photosynthesis, making food because they have the chlorophyll, right? But it can happen that in some plants, these three organs, main organs of a plant, are modified to perform different functions. Okay, these are known as plant modifications. Okay, so there are different types of root modifications, there are different types of stem modifications, there are different types of leaf modifications. Right. Now when we discuss this question, sweet potato is a modified adventitious root. Right. Now let's also discuss the other four options. Taproot, adventitious roots. What is the meaning of difference between taproot and adventitious roots? See, in both these cases, the roots are modified to store food in the form of starch. Okay, but what is the difference in taproot? You have a root coming out of the soil. For suppose this is the ground. Okay, so you have a bulged root, right? You have a bulged root like this. So sorry. Okay, you have a bulged root like this, and you have small roots coming from the main branch. Right, main root. So this root is known as a tap root. The main branch root is known as the tap root, and the small roots that are coming out of the tap root are the small branches. Small roots. Okay, there are small roots that arise from the main tap root. So this type of system is known as tap root system, right? So what happens in the adventitious roots? In adventitious roots, we have the root that is developed from other parts and not from the radicle. See, generally the root is developed from the radicle, isn't it? But in adventitious type of system, adventitious roots, the root is not developed from the radicle, right? Also the function is same. It has a root, bulged root that will be storing the food, right? And many small branches arise out of it. And you have the stem. Can you tell one example of a modified stem? Yes, it is given in the options. Rhizome. Yes, rhizome is a modified stem. Example of rhizome is ginger, turmeric. Right. What happens in rhizome? Generally the stem is above the ground. Yes or no? Generally the stem is present above the ground. But in rhizome the stem is present underground. Okay, inside the ground. Right? This kind of modification is present in ginger and turmeric. In ginger and turmeric you have underground stem modifications. So this is not the answer. This is not the answer. This is also not the answer. The correct option is adventitious roots. Have you ever seen let's discuss the example of taproot as well. right? Because this can be a possible question for your next year. Examples are carrot, turnip. Have you ever seen a fresh carrot that is coming out of the soil? When you see a fresh carrot that is coming out of the soil, you can see a carrot like this. See, like I have drawn in the taproot system, and you have small roots coming out of the carrot like this, right? You have small roots coming out of the carrot like this. So the carrot is the actual tap root that we consume, right? And the example of adventitious root is sweet potato, the one which we are studying now. The question is about, right? So our option is number 2, that is adventitious roots. Thank you.